Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining that. How to add admins on Facebook page. The process is quite simple and easy. First of all, open your Facebook app. And from here, simply switch your Facebook profile to your Facebook page. Like I switched. After switching profile, tap on these three lines and from here, scroll it down. And tap on this option settings in privacy. And tap on the first option, settings. From here, tap on the option page settings. Now scroll it down, and you will find the option page access. Tap on this one and tap on the first number. People with page access and then tap on the option next. So here is the option, search by name or by email. So it's up to you if you want to search them by their name or by their email address. But for me, I will search by their name. So therefore I'm tapping on this, and from here write the name. So I want to add admin this one on my Facebook page. So that's why I'm tapping on this. And here is the option. Allow this person to have full control. It's up to you if you want to turn it on or let it be off. But if you want to give him full access of your page, then you have to turn it on. Then your friend will be able to take full control on your page. So it's up to you if you want to give him full control of page. Then turn it on and tap on this option, give access. And for the security purposes, you have to write your password here. So after writing the password, tap on the option, confirm. Now the invitation has been sent to my friend, and now, if you want to remove this one, then simply tap on these three dots and tap on the option, cancel invitation. So it was a way by which you can add admin on your Facebook page and also remove someone if he's already the admin of page. Video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.